Against COVID-19 inside a retail store should be different than the ones you need inside a mortgage company or a bank. That strategy is what a newly formed local task force is examining in order to develop specific guidelines for various businesses. ABC 7 Saul Signs introduced us to a member of that group on ABC 7 at 5, and he joins us live from outside an East El Paso strip mall. Saul, what sort of guidelines are we talking about?
Well, those guidelines, which are yet to be released, revolve around a specific business. For instance, you likely wouldn't share a utensil inside a restaurant, just like you should not share a pen when inside a mortgage company.
So a lot of the focus has been on people interaction, but we really cannot forget our environment as businesses reopen.
Dr. Mena is a member of the newly formed Enhanced Regional Public Health Partnership. It includes borderland private and public agencies, all tasked with making sure businesses are open with all the necessary precautions to prevent the spread of COVID-19. We've all become familiar with basic CDC guidelines like wearing face coverings and washing hands frequently, but Mena says borderland residents also have to be mindful of our surroundings inside a business. ABC 7 showed you this animation of how an airborne virus can spread, but it's where that virus lands that becomes crucial to preventing the spread.
Respiratory viruses are easily transmitted throughout the office setting and other workplace settings, so it's important to remember the role of environmental surfaces.
For example, you could unknowingly place a phone on a counter while paying for an item. Well, Mena says that phone could spread the virus.
Someone could be an asymptomatic carrier of COVID-19, transmit the virus to their cell phone. Their cell phone is sitting on a countertop by the common area of the sink. That virus very well now may be a countertop, and someone else then could be subsequently exposed.
Guidelines designed for specific businesses have not been developed or released. Once they are, they will work with community partners like Paso del Norte, Medical Center of America's Foundation, and others to spread the word. Ultimately, though, Mena says it's up to us, people patronizing businesses, to help stop the spread of COVID-19.
We need to remember that workplace safeguards are implemented, and we don't want to disrupt that when we patronize that establishment and don't follow those same guidelines.
Now, those guidelines are just a sliver of some of the recommendations this group is considering. Sunday on ABC 7 Extra, we'll dig deeper and take a look at some of the other recommendations. Again, that's Sunday on ABC 7 Extra. For now, we're live on the city's east side. Saul Signs, ABC 7.
All right, Saul, thank you. And now to storm track weather. We are